Right then, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hippie. This month's book of the month is the one and only of Cabbages and Kimchi by James Reed. This book is absolutely superb. I cannot recommend it anymore. Now, this book is so unique and so innovative in a way that it's written. I've got an amazing fermentation handbook by River Cottage, but this is different in the way it gives you an insight and the history of the whole fermentation processes and the science of it. So what is so good about this as well is, although it has no photos in, the illustrations are absolutely incredible. Something that Lewis Carroll would be absolutely proud of. Drawings have actually been done by a lady called Marija Turina, which is absolutely amazing. And if you go through the book, you can see on every other page you've got little innovative drawings of a real world of fermentation. Absolutely amazing. So James Reed, I don't know much about him, and obviously a journalist, but a real expert of fermentation. It's a practical guide to the world of fermented food, and it starts with a fizz, sauerkraut, kimchi, soy sauce, hot sauce, vinegar, kefir, kvass, tepache, and ginger beer, which I've got my own going here. So I've actually covered a recipe for this, but I've actually done it with banana skin. This is with pineapple skin, which you can see here. And then it covers kombucha and yogurt. Now, some of these processes here are actually really easy because you don't need a starter culture. Absolutely, really fascinating. So each chapter starts with an amazing cartoon, and then it goes into a real insight and history in the culture of each fermentation category and type. And it goes into also a little summary of the words for sauerkraut and whatever type of ferment you're looking at across the world. And then finally, it comes to recipes. So for example, we've come to the kimchi. This shows you how to do the Chinese leaf kimchi, which I've got one ready here, an organic pointed cabbage. And then once it shows you how to do that, it gives you many recipes of what to do, and also a troubleshooting page, which is really good. Kimchi pickled eggs, radish winter kimchi, shiitake and chestnut kimchi, kimchi stew, kimchi pancakes, chilled radish noodle soup, feta and kimchi muffins, and then we go on to the next chapter, which is soy sauce. Now, this book is absolutely amazing. I've read this instantly all through. It was completely addictive to read. It took me 2 to 3 days, and I'm looking forward to reading it again and reciting some of the things. I'm really looking forward to covering some recipes, which I'm going to create a playlist for here, so please check that out. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this. Enjoy.